In today's video, I'll show you how to add a date field to a document in Docusign, a simple but important step for keeping your records accurate. First, go to Docusign.com and log into your account. From your homepage, choose a template or document you'd like to work on. If you don't have a template yet, you can create one or use a basic layout. Next, add your recipient details and click the Next to move into the field setup screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Standard Fields menu. From there, select the Date field and simply drag and drop it into your document, ideally next to the signature line so it clearly shows when the document was signed. You can also customize the field settings, like adjusting the date format or choosing whether it auto-populates. When everything looks good, make sure to save your document. And that's it. You've added a date field in Docusign. This small step ensures your agreements are properly time-stamped and organized. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Docusign tips.